Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can create successful Facebook videos ad. In order to create a successful Facebook video, ads require careful planning and execution. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you create and edit effectively Facebook video ad. First of all, you need to make sure to define your objectives. Now determine your advertising goals. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Your objective will influence the content and target of your video. After that, you need to identify a targeted audience, understand the demographic, interest, and pain points. This information will help you create content that resonates with them. It should be a product demo, customer testimonial, explainer video, or a story about your brand. You need to keep it short and engaging. So Facebook recommends keeping videos under 5 seconds, under 15 seconds for mobile feed, capture view attention, and maintaining their interest throughout the video. Now tell a compelling story that connects with your audience emotionally, address their pain, and show how your product or services can solve their problem. After that, you can also use high quality visual and clear audio. Invest in a good lighting, a stable camera setup, and professional editing tools if necessary. Many viewers watch videos on Facebook with the sound off, so including captions or subtitles to engage a message. Now incorporate your brand logo, color, and strong call to actions into the video marketing. Make sure your brand is clearly recognizable. So you can also regularly engage with the comments. Respond to a comment and engage with your audience to build a stronger connection and address any questions or concerns. By following these steps and continuously optimizing your Facebook video ad, you can create and edit successfully campaign that effectively reach your target audience and achieve your advertising goal. So that is basically how you can create or edit a successful Facebook video ads. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.